Welcome back. It's been a while. I'm just trying to get into the routine of homeschooling. It's a very relaxed approach. We're doing sort of, I don't know if I fall into like the unschooling. I definitely have some sort of guidelines, but I say a lit in a sense. And we're doing like wild math. We're in a distributed learning program, so there's a teacher that's sort of overseeing things, and we have to like submit it's very relaxed. I mean, kindergarten, I couldn't ask for a better year to start homeschooling, but yeah, today I thought I would show you guys how to make some guitar holders for your wall. We live in a small house, and I actually am making them for my husband's jam space. He's got some guitars on the ground, and I thought, you know what, clear up space, make more room, hang them up. And I'm also going to be doing it with I bought my boys some ukuleles from the thrift store, and I found these little tiny clips from, well, both clips. There's a bigger hardware clip, and then the smaller one. It'll hook onto the wall, and then they can just hang their ukuleles up. That would be fun. So let's get into it right now. So what you'll need is some tool hooks. So you just want to measure the neck of the guitar, and if you're using a ukulele, the ukuleles fit nicely in this thing, and then the guitars are just a bigger, more sturdy utility hook. I think they hold up to 45 pounds. This is 15 pounds, so that's more than enough. And you will need a drill bit, some screws, and you'll need some wood. So 2x4 is perfect. Yeah, because that's going to go into the 2x4, and then you're going to just pilot some holes in there, and you're just going to drill it onto the wall. It's very easy. So let's go! Straight like this.
Okay, now.
Okay, straight.
Okay, you get your feet off.
You're on sideways. Go straight. Holy, okay, now I'll hold it. You go up.
That was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Now it's going to hold all these.
These two, and then this one's going to be. So you're going to go in straight. Okay.
This one?
Wait. Yep.
Know something? Yours makes big holes, and mine makes smaller holes. Because mine has a little blade, and yours has a big blade for cutting big.
All right, there it